Have you ever felt like your money just disappears? Before you know what has happened, your paycheck is gone. No matter how much you budget, save, or cut back, you're always a step behind. You might be dealing with silent wealth destroyers, stealthy financial leaks hiding in plain sight. Today, we're exposing the overlooked expenses that could be sabotaging your financial future without you even realizing it. Let's start with something no one talks about: digital clutter. Old apps, forgotten subscriptions, cloud storage upgrades, even in-app purchases you made once and never use again. All of these digital expenses are set and forget money traps. A $4 subscription here, a $2 app renewal there. Tiny costs that don't trigger financial alarms. But multiply that across 12 months, that's hundreds of dollars vanishing silently. Pro tip: do a digital detox once a quarter. Review your App Store purchases, streaming accounts, and email receipts. Cancel what you don't use. Your wallet and your future self will thank you. Next up, do you think loyalty pays? Not always. Many people stick with the same bank, insurance company, or service provider out of habit. But companies often give better deals to new customers than existing ones. That means your loyalty might be costing you way more than you think. Auto-renewing your car insurance every year without checking competitors? That's an invisible expense. Set a reminder every 6 to 12 months to shop around. Use comparison tools. Leverage introductory offers. Being loyal to your money is more important than being loyal to brands. If you are finding these silent wealth destroyers helpful, please let us know by liking the video. This tells us what you want to learn more of. By subscribing to the channel, you will know as soon as there are more helpful videos available. This next one is controversial because it hides behind a positive label: self-care. We're all for taking care of your mental and emotional health, but retailers have hijacked that term to sell you things you don't actually need. $30 candles, $80 yoga sets, $20 smoothies, all marketed as self-love, but often rooted in emotional spending. You're not investing in your well-being. You're medicating stress with consumerism. And that adds up fast. Ask yourself, is this a treat or a coping mechanism? Real self-care sometimes means saying no to short-term comfort in favor of long-term freedom. This next one has caught each of us at some time. Grabbing a $7 coffee because you didn't meal prep. Paying a $3 ATM fee because your bank wasn't nearby. Ordering delivery for the third time this week. Fees of convenience add up. These aren't just random charges. They're death by 1,000 cuts. You're spending extra not for luxury, but for convenience. And it's eroding your savings quietly. Start tracking these micro decisions for a week. You'll be shocked how quickly they compound. Make convenience the exception, not the rule. Your financial downfall won't come from one big mistake. It comes from the silent expenses you ignore every day. So, now you know the enemy. Audit your life, plug the leaks, and take back control of your financial future.